Well, in the world of sports, Manipur's air sutler Priya has created history by becoming the first badminton player from Manipur and the entire Northeast to qualify for the prestigious All England Badminton Championship 2025. Hailing from Moirang Fairembam Laikai, Priya's selection marks a significant milestone in the recent sports history and showcases the growing prowess of Manipuri athletes on the global stage. Before earning a spot in the All England Championship, Priya was an integral part of India's historic triumph at the Asian Badminton Women's Team Championship 2024, held in Malaysia from February 12 to 18 last year. The Indian team scripted history by clinching the title for the first time ever, defeating Thailand 3-2 in the final. Priya played a crucial role in the championship, further establishing herself as a rising star in Indian badminton. The All England Badminton Championship is one of the most prestigious and oldest tournaments in the sport's history, and Priya's qualification is a moment of immense pride for Manipur and India. No player from Manipur or the Northeast had previously participated in this iconic tournament.